Pipe bending and soldering. There are two types of plumbing joints: a compression fitting, which consists of a nut and olive. When the nut is tightened, it compresses the olive onto the pipe. Remove the nuts and olives from the fitting, fit these to the pipe, smear sealing paste around the top of the copper pipe. Assemble the pipe and fitting together. Hand tighten the nuts to the fitting, then with 2 pairs of spanners, tighten up the fitting. The alternative is solder joints. Spread a liberal amount of flux onto the surfaces to be soldered together. Assemble the fittings. Heat the areas to be soldered, remembering to use lead-free solder when joints come into contact with drinking water. Apply the solder until the joint is full. Wipe over the pipework when it's cooled with a dampened cloth. As with the fittings, there are 2 ways to bend pipes. Firstly is the pipe bending spring. Insert the spring into the pipe. Now bend the pipe over your knee, gradually forming a 90-degree bend. Take the bend just past 90 degrees, then reduce it back. This will enable easy removal of the spring. Secondly, there is the pipe bending machine. These can be purchased from merchants or hired from tool hire companies. Insert the pipe into the bender, place the former on top of the pipe. The pipe can now be bent to any angle with relative ease.